Yeah, the fats are just like rah rah.
They're louder than the fucking motor.
I know, dude. Yeah.
They roar.
Yeah. Yeah, you're trying to go down the road and just be like, you know, just chill. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're taking the Ecotric 500. Going for a ride. But it's kind of cloudy and rainy. Kind of chilly today. It's the first chilly day of the year. And I have a healing broken elbow. But we're going to take a quick ride. Hope everybody is having a great day. We're riding on the Ecotric 500 watt fat tire electric. Today I'm going to take a different route. It's actually cool today. Check it out, I'm wearing pants in Florida. It's crazy. Yo, if you haven't already, drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe. So yeah, it's a little rainy, kind of cloudy today. It's cold. It's like 60 something degrees. One day we're going over here to a golf course. We're gonna ride the course. We gotta find a day that they're not using it, which would probably be today, but the elbow, I'm still kind of taking it light. And the more I drive it, the more I use it, the more money it ends up saving me. Did y'all see that cat? I hope that came through. But yeah. So right now we're just cruising, pedal assist. Let's do level 3. Level 3 is a good one for just cruising and sightseeing. It's like 12 miles an hour. Gear 5. Yeah. And then level 4, go up to speed number 7. Number 4 takes you 17, 16. And then the 5th, pedal assist, takes you up to about 25 on a full battery on these things. It's about 25 miles, 20 miles, depending on how you ride, your weight. There's a jump right there. Over here on the skateboard, hit it up. I feel like I need to put air in the back tire. But the way I ride, it's just like I ride a bike. I pedal until it gets enough speed to just cruise. I'm not looking to go, you know, that would be cool to have, you know, like an Onyx or something to ride around at top speed on all the time, just throttle. But I actually enjoy the bike aspect. It's fun. Yo, if you haven't already, go click the subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,000 followers. Hell, we're trying to get to 100 right now. So yeah, go subscribe, like, comment. If you have an e-bike, do you like e-bikes? What's your favorite e-bike? What e-bike would you want? And also, at 100K, I'm thinking, or even 10K maybe, I'm gonna give away a bike. Maybe this one, maybe something different. Who knows? There's good things coming in store. So stick around, join the mobbing crew, the mob family. Whoa. A slow ride and podcast kind of day, because I'm still letting the elbow heel from a wreck. If you go down to my videos, I was shopping for groceries and I decided to have a rendezvous with the concrete. Yep. Is this another e-biker? I think it is. Let's cut through. Look, on his bike. Another e-biker. He had an electric. Cross it over. Yeah, I like it. Cool, so we know we got another electric biker. Maybe we'll see him one day. We can add him to the crew. At least on a bike, when you vlog, you're not really like forced to walk directly by somebody. Hey, puppy. Yo, look, I don't care what kind of dog you have. They're all good dogs. But there is a building back here that I do want to take a picture of. If you don't know, I'm a photojournalist. I work with the news every now and then. I run an Instagram page called The Real Fort Walton Beach. It's like an anti-beachy picture thing. So, yeah. Go check it out. The Real Fort Walton Beach on Instagram. Check out this little store, man. Grab my camera. This is a Leica QP. That's what I shoot with. 28 mil. Say manual focus. Let's do that. Alright. I love this little store, man. There we go. Yes. Cool. All right, if you want to see the pictures, go check them out. The Real Fort Walton Beach on Instagram. There we go. All right. Click the buttons. Click on the buttons. All of the buttons. Hello. Days. Yo, where's that guy going on that bike, man? That'd be cool to have somebody to ride with. I got a buddy named Johnny, but he's like 30 miles east. So, and he runs a full-time business. So the chances of him getting out to go riding in Fort Walton are very slim, but they do have some cool trails out where he's at. So one day we might drive over there and check him out. Check him out. Check him out now. Looks so better. But yeah, it would be cool to have get a group. I want to figure out how many people are in Fort Walton Beach that have electric bikes, or in the surrounding areas. Fort Walton Beach, Destin, Crestview, Panama City, Pensacola. Hit me up, let's go ride. Maybe my elbow will be healed up enough to like drive like a normal person instead of like a granny. Should be done in a week or so though. going for it, guys. Crossing the road. Crossing the road. Yo, this has been going for a minute. 21 minutes. I might be able to get a couple videos out of it. Because lately my videos have been 10 minutes. Because for some reason it tells me I can't post a video longer than 10 minutes. Which I would love to post the full ride. Let me know if you guys would like to see the full rides. You know, I'm out riding hours. Hour and a half, 2 hours every day. So, you know, let me know if you want to see the full rides. We can definitely get those hopefully up by the time. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Look, maybe we'll work on getting the whole videos up. But I've been out for 22 minutes now. I think I might have enough content for a couple new videos. I need to get back to making some music. Hey. I need to get back to making some music. Hey, I think this is the fat tire bike guy. You get it? What's up, dude? Huh?
I just moved out here in Fort.
Really?
I just moved out here from Niceville and I still work in
What's your
Niceville.
name?
Nice Sean, man.
Sean? Matt.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah. Yeah, cool.
I know if I kept riding around, I'd run to somebody, man.
Yeah, my buddy has one over like 30 miles that way, but you know, I've been waiting to see somebody riding.
Yeah, like I was running before I got this. It was BMX and like a single speed road bike.
Right.
Shared about healing bucks. But I was only commuting like 3 miles each way.
Yeah, that's not bad, man. But Niceville on a without a motor.
Yeah, it's all fucking stupid. I need to get a fucking torch because this thing is not burning.
Yeah, dude. This thing right here is like 20 bucks.
Yeah.
Super cheap.
Is that just wired into your battery?
It has this little battery pack. Just
Okay.
plug it in, USB.
Yeah, because I was looking for one that I could just put into the existing wiring.
Yeah.
Like, I don't have a lot of space on this. I want to get like one of the little extensions.
Oh, little bars.
I want to get the
I
whole.
know, dude. Yeah.
Hey, roar.
Yeah. Yeah, you're trying to go down the road and just be like, you know, just chill and everybody's, yeah. So, yeah.
Shit, get running in here, man.
Yeah, dude. I'll see you around.
Yeah.
Yeah, next time I'm out.
Yeah, okay.
Nice. Got another e-biker. He's talking about going from here to Niceville on that bike, and man, that's a good drive. Whoop, sorry. That's a good drive. I mean, you're talking, I don't know, 20 miles one way, 15, 20 miles. Yeah, I mean, on a car, it takes, in a car on the highway at like 55 or 60, it takes a good 25 minutes to get there. So you can imagine on a bicycle. That dude's hustling. Love it. Can't ride a car, man. Get an electric bike. So I'll see you guys in the next video. What do you guys think? What should I do? Do you want to get a video on the light? Do you want a video for the phone holder? A review for the rack system, the pedals that I got on? Yeah. Let me know. We'll make it. So I will see you guys in the next video. And until then, ride safe, enjoy your life, be happy, be nice, be kind to people. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.